Hi, it's John from ESS, and I just wanted to give you a bit of a background which led me to being an Excel consultant and trainer. So I appreciate you taking this time. Thanks. To begin, I'm a mechanical engineer and I've been working in the railway business for almost 10 years in the maintenance area specifically. I've had the privilege of moving through the ranks from junior level to senior in that period. And while doing that, I've also had a lot of part-time work on the side, being Excel specifically, having a lot of clients, majority being international clients and a few locals. But through their needs and their requirements, it made me get to know Excel much better and quicker than I ever expected to. But with those challenges came further drive to actually get to know the program better. And with that interest and drive, I actually started realizing I enjoy doing that a lot. um, and it's led me to basically sitting and telling you a bit about the Excel things that I've done. So that interest and drive made me get to do a lot of self training as well as do some courses just to get to understand the fundamentals of Excel. Because within Excel, for whoever starts out there, you should realize that there's basics you learn, and from there you grow with it because there are so much possibilities with creating things on a spreadsheet, especially Excel for your business or for any personal need, budget calculations, whatever it is. Um, in that time of doing part-time work and my full-time work, I also became a certified trainer, assessor, and moderator. So, which is putting me to the point now of enjoying uh, training those that are interested in learning. Um, in total, I've got 13 years of Microsoft Excel experience, having started with Office 2007 package of Excel all the way up until now Office 365, which has officially been changed to Microsoft 365. So that's the program I mainly work with now. Um, and then on top of that, I've also learned how to work with Google Sheets, and I've got about 3 years experience within Google Sheets. What I enjoy about Google Sheets is the user friendliness and convenience and teamwork that you can do live with each other. You know, the whole team working on one file at the same time and seeing who's affecting which cells, which is cool. Um, I still feel it's limited, but it's Google Sheet is much younger compared to Microsoft Excel, so to be expected. So for now, my passion and interest is still within Microsoft Excel, and I'm slowly learning a lot more about Google Sheets as time goes on. But as I learn, so will I also be sharing all that knowledge with you out there, those that are interested. So, having seen this, the years that I've put in, I just realized that I enjoyed and the customers really appreciated the work I put into it. So I felt that I should actually now give more attention to Excel and my customers and actually improve on that and provide a platform such as this to actually train those out there that want to get to know it, because I've seen a potential gap in a lot of people having the skills to do a job, but shortening that specific skill in creating a tracker or a quotation tool or whatever it is. So here I am now sitting telling you that going forward, I will be teaching you all the basics there is to creating what you need in Excel. And if it is that you realize that you just don't have the time or the interest or the means to do it, we provide consulting services as well. So it's all out there for you if you need it. So thanks for listening, and I look forward to excelling with you.